Oh, the things we're going to do with that ultimate weapon.
I can't imagine what Mom ever saw in you.
Really? What do you mean? Oh, we had so much in common. Ah, she was special. I remember the first time I saw her. It was during a raging war, a real big one. I spotted this beautiful warrior queen from across a crowded battlefield. They called her Lady Iron Dragon. Boy, she was something. I was speechless.
Whoa, hang on a sec. Mom said that you met in a coffee room?
I don't even know what that is. Anyway, as I was saying, I was speechless. I worked up the nerve and I approached her. I asked her if she fought here often. She said she did. Lady Iron Dragon, care to join me on the battlefield? So, you want to maybe, I don't know, beat up a bunch of these guys with me?
Sure, if you think you can keep up with me.
You just watch me.
Garmadon, aren't you a bad guy?
Well, that all depends on who...
There's only 2 of them.
You fight like a girl! A brave, accomplished, brilliant girl. You have a beautiful screaming into battle voice.
A guy who knows his way around a battlefield.
I find your dispatching of enemies enchanting.
think you can best us with that? I'm insulted.
Nice of you to join us.
We should take him on together.
Nothing would please me more.
And he's down. Hey, we actually made a pretty good team.
Let's give this tower some power. Yeah, I'm known for building bridges with people. I'm joking, of course.
I've battled these 10 times before. Beaten them 10 times before, too.
A gate won't keep the great Garmadon out! Actually, it might. Your idea was to use a catapult? I like you more and more.
at them, all of you! Don't let them progress!
I hit it! I mean, we hit it. This working as a team thing is hard to get used to.
Skeletons rattling in.
Scatter them skeletons!
Well, well, if it isn't Lady Iron Dragon.
You too.
I don't remember him.
You never called, even after we fought together.
Oh yeah, I was once an ally in battle.
You can do
You, battle alongside Garmadon? It won't last. Garmadon? What's he got that I haven't?
Come here and I'll show you.
The boss is in pieces.
Lady Iron Dragon broke his heart.
Then everything else.
We never fought together again. In fact, I think he now sees me as an enemy.
Yeah, I gathered that. Clearly not your type. I see you more with a tall guy with 4 arms and an evil laugh. Huh? We should light up those rockets like they were fireworks at our wedding reception.
Pardon?
Nothing. Let's get down to business.
Light him up.
There shouldn't be walls between people.
Aw.
It makes it harder to conquer them.
Ah.
Once more, into the breach!
Don't slip and fall into that lava below.
The only thing I'm falling for is you, Lady Iron Dragon.
our path.
Nice work, Lady Iron Dragon.
Lock the gates! Don't let them through!
Is there anything we can destroy?
My crossbow might help here.
Are you all I'm up against? Garmadon and Iron Dragon?
That's Lady Iron Dragon to you.
What are you two now anyway? A team?
No, I'd say we're more of a couple.
Hey, let's not rush things, Garmy.
Couple or not, I'm gonna break you apart!
I don't know, there was just something about her. We were in perfect sync. It was like we could read each other's thoughts. We were perfectly matched. It was love at first sight.
Lady Iron Dragon? Whoa, wait a minute, so... Oh.
Doesn't get any better.
Wait a minute, so you know this place?
Who doesn't know their childhood home?
Huh?
Well, shall we? Stay close. I will lead you through this perilous...
Oh look, a light switch. Do you guys have a bathroom I could use?
Nope.
Whoa, check out those old photos.
Whoa!
Oh, boy.
Look at that! It's so cute!
Look at his baby goatee.
Ugh, whatevs. Come on, let's go find the ultimate weapon.
Here, in the bedroom. We think it's in that box.
Open it, open it, open it. Whoa! What a bunch of junk.
Maybe there's something important under it.
No, wait. Look, there's a piece for each of our elements. Fire. Whoa! And I'm... green.